And hello, folks. We're Friday, and we've made it through another week. Looking at the view there, got some clouds there uh, in the to the southwest, and we've got mostly clear sky in some other places. Let's take another look at Cam down toward Leesville. There's more clouds in that direction. There's actually some showers down in that area as well. So coming up, we'll be talking about the big cold front, what it will do to us. It will bring the coldest weather we've seen so far this young winter. What happens after the front later next week? Got that in the 7-day forecast. And folks, you're wondering about Christmas week. I've got a big surprise for you, and we'll see if it comes true. But Santa may be bringing us something. So, all right, let's check out things with the radar. We do see those little showers moving to the north and to the northeast across our southern parishes there. They may play out as it work a little bit further to the north and run out of daytime heating, but it wasn't a 0% chance of rain today. As I told you, it wouldn't be. Satellite and radar indicating the cold air, twin highs up in Canada and into the northern plains now. It was a brutal day there across the Dakotas with sub-zero readings, common strong wind, especially this morning. Winds 30, 45 miles an hour in gust as all that blew through there. And that's the front that's on its way here and will take temperatures down. So for Sunday, notice the big roller coaster hill there across the western United States. Big ridge, warm bubble of air, and then dropping into the valley right here. Okay, that is called the trough. And out of Canada, you saw those two highs. That's the heart of the cold air, and that heart of the cold air is going to dump into the eastern United States, generally along the Mississippi River, a little area to the west of there, and then eastward will be the most affected by this. So the overall setup for your Saturday, there will be some moisture ahead of the front and ahead of this change. So we've got to address some rainfall that we still need here across Cenla. So I'm going to step you through the weekend. This evening, I think most of the rain stays to the south of us overnight. It could start journeying a little bit to the north, but coverage not too much, and then hit and miss showers for your grocery trip in the morning and deer hunting, of course, early in the morning. And then by Saturday evening, this is your entertainment forecast. Still some hit and miss showers, but there will be an increase overnight Saturday. And I think this model's downplaying it. Overnight Saturday by 10 o'clock Sunday morning, you'll notice it's starting to get cooler. Okay, the cold front will be through by then for church time. So rainfall through early Sunday morning, about a 70% to the northwest, to 80% in our mid parishes, and 90% across southern and southeastern parishes there. That's kind of the moisture pattern, a little bit better moisture down in this area. But I don't think there's going to be a lot, even though there could be a thunderstorm or two with it. I think amounts will hold less than an inch, so no big help for the drought situation. So Futurecast here, another look at the warm and cold bubbles of air. So I'll put this in motion, just let it roam, and you can see that big dip, a quick mover. So the cold spell coming in Sunday is short-lived here, but as we go into next weekend, we start to see maybe the pattern changing up as the cold air looks like there's a fence right here across the midsection of the United States. Warm on the south side of that fence, colder to the north of the fence. And guess where we're at? Yep, we're on the south side. And it looks like that pattern may hold through Christmas week. Okay, so let's check out the forecast. 7-day first, a warm day, 72 before the front Saturday night. Again, expecting the initial wind shift between 6 p.m. Saturday and midnight. Could be some morning fog, 50-50 chance of rain, 80% chance, so that for Saturday night as the front comes through. And then Sunday, falling temperatures from around 60 midnight Saturday to about 36 by 6, 7 p.m. your dinner time Sunday. And that will continue to fall under a clear sky Sunday night to 23 for an average. I'm thinking some thermometers could be as cold as, could be the upper teens, 18 or 19. I can't completely rule that out. And then other thermometers would stay maybe 27, 26, 28, something like that. But it's going to be a freeze everywhere Monday, and the first hard freeze across much of the area. Under bright sunshine, we can only stay in the 40s. Another cold night, Monday night, Tuesday morning low, 28 degrees, but warmer, quote unquote. And Double nickels for your high on Tuesday. There'll be an increase in clouds. I'm holding right now the forecast, but we got some clouds Wednesday and Thursday as well. Got 20% in the forecast there. A warming trend coming in Wednesday and Thursday, but again, only slight rain chances. Another little front, not a big one, and the Thursday, Friday time frame may pull temps down just temporarily, just a bit there. And then look what happens for your 8 to 14 day outlook. This is Christmas week, folks. Big slab of above normal temperatures right here across the southern and midsection of the United States, and that covers almost all of the country except the northwestern, northern, and northeastern extremities of the United States. 40 to 60 are numbers here. There looks like there's going to be some temperatures that will be way above that that week. Very unusual, and this is from the Climate Prediction Center, our top ensemble models, the GFS, the Canadian, our AI products, and European model, all indicating this. So very rare to have such consistency so far in advance. As far as rainfall is concerned, doesn't look like there's going to be much here in Cenla. We're going to be below what we should be, above normal for the west and the Great Lakes area. All right, that's it from me. And let's see, I think Nick Nicholas, yes, he will be here in the morning to bring you your morning stream, and I'll be in for the evening and riding the 7 day. Hope